video's topic is types of cartilages. We'll see types of cartilages with examples of each type. Three types of cartilages are hyaline, elastic and fibrocartilage. Hyaline cartilage appears bluish white and transparent. It has fine collagen fibers, most widely distributed cartilage in the body, covered by perichondrium except articular cartilages. Non-articular hyaline cartilage has tendency to calcify. Examples are articular cartilages, thyroid and cricoid cartilage. Elastic cartilage has numerous chondrocytes with rich network of yellow elastic fibers. Examples: pinna of external ear, epiglottis and external auditory meatus. White fibrous cartilage appears white and opaque with collagen bundles arranged parallelly. The chondrocytes are few and small and scattered singly or arranged in rows. They are formed at sites subjected to great pressure. Sites are intervertebral disc, articular disc of temporomandibular joint, etc.